Today we're going to discuss seed dispersal. How do the seeds get where they need to go? This is the first in a two-part lesson. Let's talk about what we've already learned. A seed is a baby plant waiting for the chance to grow. Plants make seeds so that they can reproduce and make more plants. Imagine that you're a parent plant, you're a mom or a dad. You've got many, many seeds, and your goal, of course, is to have all of your seeds survive and develop into new plants. Let's think about this. Do you think that all of your baby seeds will grow up the same way? What might affect how they grow? What might happen if one of your baby seeds just dropped right underneath of you and tried to grow there like this picture shows? Stop and think about the answers to these questions before moving on to the next slide. After a seed starts to grow, it needs some things. It needs water, light, and nutrients. Sometimes the baby plant actually tries to go right beneath the parent plant. And that doesn't work too well because the baby plant then has to compete with the larger plant. That means that both of those plants are using the same resources, the water, light, and nutrients. A new plant will actually have a better chance to survive if it can move away from the parent plant and have more access to those resources. Remember, a new plant will have a better chance to survive if it can move away from the parent plant. That's called dispersal. How do the seeds move away though? What do you think is the answer to that question? So our next focus question is going to be, how do seeds disperse away from the parent plant? The word disperse is a vocabulary word that means to spread out or move away from. For example, we're social distancing right now. We have dispersed. We've moved away from school. We are spread out away from where we normally are. So you need to complete this task before you move on to the next slide. Take a walk outside and observe everything around you. Think about your background knowledge about what you've already learned about Earth and nature. Pretend that you're a little seed. Your goal is to move away from your parent plant so that you and the plant have more space and resources to grow. Without a human touching you, how could you get there? How might you disperse away from your parent plant? Think about the answers to that question. Say it out loud. To see if you're right, you're going to click this link and watch the video all about seed dispersal. Finally, complete this vocabulary review page. This has the vocabulary words that we discussed, and there's a word bank at the bottom. You can write your answers on a piece of paper, and we'll share them during our next Google Meet and talk about it. Or if you'd like, you can also add just the words in order to your Seesaw journal. Or you can take a picture of it and send it and post it in Seesaw that way. Have a great day.